In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google form. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your form into a website, making it easy for others to fill out directly from the site itself. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Forms. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Forms page. If you have a specific form in mind that you'd like to embed, make sure it's open and ready to go. This will be your starting point for embedding. Once your form is open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, or maybe just your initial if you haven't set a profile picture. Right next to it, there are 3 vertical dots. These dots are your gateway to additional options. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you'll see several options. Look for one labeled Embed HTML. This is the option that will provide you with the necessary code to embed your form. Click on Embed HTML and a new window will pop up, showing you the HTML code. Now, this code might look a little intimidating at first, but don't worry. You don't need to understand it fully. All you need to do is copy it. You'll notice there's a copy button conveniently located in this window. Click on it to copy the HTML code to your clipboard. With the HTML code copied, you're ready to move on to the next step, embedding the form into your website. Navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. You'll need access to the HTML editor of your website for this part. Paste the HTML code into the appropriate section of your website's code. Usually, this involves finding the section of your web page where you want the form to appear and pasting the code right there. And that's it. Once you've pasted the code, save your changes and refresh your website. You should now see your Google form embedded directly on the page, ready for users to fill out. This process makes it incredibly convenient for gathering responses, as users won't have to leave your site to complete the form. Remember, if you ever need to make changes to the form itself, you can always return to Google Forms, make your edits, and the changes will automatically reflect wherever the form is embedded. This feature is a huge time saver and keeps everything consistent. Thanks for following along today. By embedding your Google form, you've taken a big step towards enhancing your website's interactivity and user engagement. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy embedding!